Hello guys, so if you're looking to find trending topics on YouTube, so if that's the case, you have come to the right place, because today in this video I'm going to show you exactly how you can do that. Now for doing that, you will need a tool which is called Google Trends. So go to your browser and just simply search Google Trends. Now make sure to log in into your Google account, and now let's start researching on a particular topic. So for doing that, firstly go to your Explorer page over here. Now over here, let's search for a random term. Let's take a keyword, for an example, fishing. So let's search it. So just simply enter fishing as a term, then click on search term. Now as you can see, the graph is pretty low. So over here, what you have to do is, firstly, click on your country and choose worldwide. And the second thing that you have to do is click on the web search over here and go to YouTube search. Firstly, what it was, there was only web search, but in the last year, they have also added YouTube search. So it is much more easier and faster to find more trending topics. So just simply choose YouTube search over here. Now as you can see, the graph will change a lot. Now what I would like to do is change the time duration of the video as well. So I will take for at least past 5 years. So as you can see, the fishing term is kind of trending and is going up little by little, as you can see right over here. So the fishing term as a category is a very broad category. So let's trim it down a little bit. Now to do that, what you have to do is, firstly, open a new tab in incognito. Now over here, go to YouTube and make sure you are not logged in any account, because you have to be in a plain account so YouTube can recommend you things. So now after you are in incognito YouTube, just simply search for the fishing term. Just simply search for that. So as you can see, this is a video which came out 10 hours ago. So in the YouTube, what you have to do is simply open the videos. You don't have to watch it entirely, just simply open videos. Let's say this one was 10 hours ago. It got 2,000 views. Same, 7 hours ago, 119. Open this one as well. 3 months ago, it got 1.6 million. Open this one as well. This one also, 348k. Just simply open these videos. Now what you have to do is simply open the videos. Just simply watch it for 1 or 2 seconds and then close it. Do this for all of them. Close it. Again, watch it. 2 seconds. Close it. Again, watch it, close it. Now what you will do is just simply go back to your home screen and you will find that a lot of fish recommendations are coming on your screen. Now, like for example, this one. So it is not really trending. So as you can see, it is currently on your home page, but it is not that trending. But you can also check it out. So just simply open this on a new tab. It also has some views. So open this on a new tab as well. Now scroll down. So this is also one of them. Open this one also in a new tab. Now scroll down and find more videos regarding fishing. So as you can see, multiple fishing videos are now coming up. So open this as well. As you can see, we have opened 4 videos. So open them. Now you have few terms over here. So what you can do is, firstly, search for those terms like fishing in a river. This is a search term. So go back to Google Trends and search for this and compare with fishing. So as you can see, the red one is fishing in a river and it has not that much of search. It actually has 0 search over here, as you can see right over here. So again, go back to incognito and search for some more. Like this is a term, it's probably some kind of fish. So just simply search for this particular term. Search for this one. And again the same, it doesn't have a lot of search value. So as you can see, this search term is also not that very famous. So now what you can do is search for a different search term. Let's say take this video probably. Now let's search this particular search term. Add another comparison. Click on extreme saltwater fishing. And as you can see over here, there is no results showing. Fishing is overshadowing all of them because fishing is a very broad category. So what I will suggest you to do is just simply remove fishing as a term over here. And then you can see there will be a lot of graph. So fishing in river is, as you can see, there is a little bit of graph over here. And if you scroll down over here deeply, you will see this term is actually going up lately, as you can see over here in the graph as well. Now as you can see, this particular term isn't searching for at all. So let's remove this one. Now what I will do is just simply change it from 5 years to, let's say, 12 months. Let's do that. Now as you can see, you will find a bit more detailed graph over here. As you can see, saltwater fishing is not that much famous compared to fishing in river as a search term. So now what you can do is search for more search term. So go back, go to your YouTube, go to your home page and search for it. Let's say this one is a fish video, so open it and let's search for this particular search term over here. Let's see, does this have any search term or not? So as you can see, this particular search term is also higher than extreme saltwater. So what I will do is just simply remove this one over here. Now I will just simply compare these two. So I will take now 30 days over here. See the results. So as you can see, this particular search term was high, and currently this search term have completely died out, but the fishing in river topic is still rising up, as you can see over here in the search terms. So as you can see over here in the graph. Now let's search for more. Now again, go back to home page, remove all the videos from the past just to be safe. Then refresh the page once more. Now search for some videos. Let's take this one for example. So this is search term. Let's search this one. So as you can see, this doesn't have a lot of search value, as you can see right over here in the graph, which is depicted as yellow over here, which is totally 0. But if you check this in the last 7 days, so as you can see in the last 7 days, it is still 0. Search the result. And as you can see in the last 7 days, this particular term has gone up over here, as you can see. And the fishing in river have gotten down, but it is slightly getting up, as you can see right over here in the chart. So currently these two particular search terms are trending. So you can search more of them, but it will take you hours to search that. So you have to be patient for it. Let's say this one. While you are searching for a video or a search term, you have to break a title down in multiple parts, so you can create your own unique search term. So as I just did, so I just now searched for seafood of Asia. So copy that and search it over here. Then enter. Now I'm gonna remove this one because it is pointless over here. So now as you can see, it has a much more clear view. Clearly the seafood of Asia topic is much higher than this particular topic over here. But in some cases it's overlapping and some cases it's not. But in the end, they're both dying out, as you can see right over here. But fishing in river, this particular search term is still pretty much going up. So you can make any videos regarding this particular topic, and that video should get viral in some time. So that's how you have to search for any of the niche you're looking for, any of the search term. So basically, if you want to make anything trend in YouTube or Google, you have to search multiple search terms and you have to compare them all over here to see which search term is far better than the others. And then when you find the search term, create your own store, market, and work around that particular search term and topic. So that's pretty much it. And thank you for watching, and do like and subscribe to my channel, and take care.